Before performing any print tests, make certain all trays have been set to 8.5 by 11. To perform your first print test, open tray 1 on the side of the machine. After opening tray 1, slide the bar over to the 11-inch setting. After setting the tray to 11, put a stack of paper in tray 1. For testing, we will print a configuration packet. From the home screen, swipe right once, click on Reports, then tap Configuration Status Pages. Next, tap Configuration Page, and finish by tapping the print icon. Under Device Information on the configuration page, you will see an entry called Engine Cycles. The engine cycles can be used to indicate how many copies have been done and will help you complete your print test. Notice that on these configuration pages you just printed out, the engine cycles say 0. Configuration page packet size will vary by individual machine. In the case of this unit and configuration, it consists of 2 pages. Each single-sided monochrome page represents 1 engine cycle. In the case of this configuration packet, it is consumed 2 engine cycles. On a color printer, such as the model 778 or 876, you will have an additional line called Color Engine Cycles. This includes all of the monochrome engine cycles plus any pages that were printed in color. After completing the print test on tray 1, remove the paper and close tray 1. Open tray 2 and place the paper. Place page 1 of the configuration packet face up in the dock feeder located at the top of the copier. Hit the copy button in the lower right-hand corner of the home screen. Once you have successfully retrieved the copy from the output bin, retrieve your original and repeat the process with the next tray. Open tray 2 and remove the stack of paper. Place the stack of paper in tray 3. Repeat this process with all trays included in your machine's configuration. If you are print testing a color copier, you will have to also print out a color test page. Swipe right twice until you see Support Tools. Tap. From Support Tools, tap Troubleshooting. Next, tap Print Quality Pages. Finally, click on this box and hit Print. This will produce 1 single-sided color page. Remember, when counting your engine cycles, this will count as 1 color engine cycle and 1 total engine cycle. After completing all single-sided copies from every tray included in the unit, place page 1 and 2 of the configuration pack face up in the document feeder. Next, we will hit the Copy Options button on the home screen. From that Copy Options menu, we will hit Sides. On our output sides, we will select 2-sided and then hit Copy to perform a duplex. This duplex copy should then be added to your list of successful copies. If your configuration contains an external stapler stacker or inner finisher unit, you will have this external stapler. To test this, simply place your copies face down in the corner of the slot and depress the brown button. If successful, you will now have a staple in the upper left-hand corner of your document. Your copier configuration may contain either or internal, stapler, or hole punch options. To access this, simply press the Copy button on the home screen and then tap Options. Use this hole punch or stapled copy to test the flatbed scanner. Simply place the copy face down in the corner, close the flatbed, then hit the Copy option in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. When your print test is completed, you will have printed out an initial configuration report, as many one-sided monochrome copies as there are trays in your configuration, a duplex copy, And if your printer was a color model, you would have also printed out a color diagnostics page, a test color page including a staple and hole punches, and a final copy done on the flatbed scanner that shows the shadow of the staple and the hole punches. This final page will be included in any paperwork that you send to the MOD network. Lastly, you will print out a final configuration report. This configuration report will include the number of engine cycles shown on the screen. This number of engine cycles has been determined by how many pages were in our configuration report, by how many copies we did total. This is the number that your engine cycles on your configuration page should show when you scan and email it to the MOD network.